What's up everybody, back with another video. It's very hard to find some new diecast right now at my local stores. This is all I found recently. We got some Hot Wheels Mainlines and some Welly Nex models. So I would say let's do a quick unboxing video and get right into it and start with this guy here, which is the Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7 now in pretty orange livery. So yeah, let's take a look at this guy. This is the second version. It's a pretty new casting and yeah, looking very good in orange. So we can do a comparison. Here we got this model in white, which is also very nice, but I think the orange version does look better, even better. So we got the nice Carrera lettering on the side. We get details on the back, so these taillights are part of the interior plastic piece. Really nice, some painted headlights. Pretty nice model, and kind of hard to find in my area. So let's put this guy into the parking lot and let's go on with this one here, BMW 507, now in red. Not 100% sure. I think this is the second version. The first version was in white, but red is also looking very good. As you can see, we got some nice details here on the side with the BMW logo. No headlights, but we get a nice chrome grille and a chrome bumper and a pretty nice BMW badge on the hood. Feels kind of heavy, this model. Yeah, nice. I think, headlights would have been great. And even if it had some taillights, we wouldn't see it because this guy is red. So let's put him to the side. And let's go on with the 1956 Corvette. From the Barbie movie. We get the same car in a different packaging. I don't know why, but I think the car is the same. There we go. Nothing on the back. Some details here on the side. White interior, and you get some headlights, and look right here, Barbie license plate, which is kind of cool. Oops. Focus. There we are. Nice. Then we do have the quick bite, now in green. So a generic casting from Hot Wheels. So the body is plastic and we get a metal base. I think this guy is really cool. I like these food trucks, and this is a especially nice version with the flaming spitting chicken. The latest version was this one here in yellow. I would still say that the yellow version is the better one, but it's always good to have some food trucks. Then we go on with the 72 Stingray Convertible. Also the second version. First version was in blue, now in a nice gray with opened headlights. I also do like this chrome interior. Some pretty nice taillights. Can't read the license plate, to be honest. but yeah, this one's saying Corvette on the back. And for a little comparison, here's the first version that was or came in blue. And for all of you that don't know, this casting has a little, yeah, let's call it a gimmick, if you're interested in that. If you take a look right here and you take a flashlight, I don't know if you can see it on camera, you can make the headlights work. I think it's just too bright, but it does work. I did test it, so yeah, it's kind of neat in my opinion. I like it when they do something like this. So yeah, that's it with Hot Wheels Mainlines, but we still got some other stuff to take out of its packaging. We got some Welly Nex models. So if you're not familiar with these, as you can see, this is a bigger scale. I'm not 100% sure exactly what scale it is. I don't think it's 1/43. I think it's somewhere between 1/43 and 1/38 or something like that. But yeah, I don't care. These things are pretty cheap. You can get these at a store called Action for €4. And yeah, I think they look kind of good for that money. Pretty detailed. I mean, take a look at the rims, and we got lensed headlights and even lensed taillights, which is kind of cool. These are pullback cars, by the way. So yeah, there we go. And on top of that, we do have opening parts. And the point is, believe it or not, there are stores that sell these for €10. And yeah, I think that's a little bit too much, but for €4, from time to time, I buy them. I don't really collect them, but I think this one does look really good. So this is the 918 Spyder without top, and oops, here is the closed version. You can take off the roof, it's glued in. So yeah, two different models, but the only difference is that the missing roof. So let's put this to the side. Then we got this one here, which is also kind of cool. The famous gull-wing Mercedes 300 SL. I even think the color is pretty cool. Also coming with lensed headlights, but we got painted taillights, chrome bumper, a nice grille with the Mercedes star, and for sure can open these doors. And I'm not an expert for models in that scale, but I would say these are pretty nice. For €4, that's okay. I mean, even the interior doesn't look too bad. I mean, the steering wheel is, I think the size is quite right. But yeah, it's too close to the front seat. But if you take a look, there's also a chrome mirror. And that's a pretty nice detail in my opinion. So also nice. Then we go on with the Mercedes G-Wagon, I think. Yeah, this is also nice in black. Also lensed headlights. Some chrome details on the spare tire. We got lensed taillights, which is kind of cool. Can open the doors. And there we go. yeah, these things do have a plastic base for sure. And the last one is this guy here. Golf GTI from the first generation. Also pretty nice. Lensed headlights, lensed taillights. Oops. Oh. With opening doors. Also very nice. We also got some details on the door, if you take a close look. So yeah, I don't buy too many of these bigger scale models because I don't really have the room for them. But you know, from time to time, I can't resist buying these because they are kind of cheap and I think they are looking really good. So that's it for today's video, and as always I'm picking my favorite, and I think in this case it's kind of easy. It's our Porsche that comes now in orange with this orange base. This is really, really nice. Oh, it's got a paint chip right here. So yeah, I have to get another one. Anyways, pretty nice model, and yeah, I hope you did like the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Until next time, and happy hunting. Bye.